Many of your teachers use the Google Classroom environment to post messages, instructions, and assignments. This video will show you how to access the different Google Classrooms for each of your subjects.
The Google Classroom environment is the same across all of your classes. However, each teacher may use the program a little differently. Please read your course syllabi carefully and ask your teacher if you have any questions.
Here we are at the Google Classroom homepage. To get here, you can search for the Google Classroom in Google. It should be the link at the top of the search results. Now that you're here, you can bookmark the Google Classroom on your Chromebook. If you've not been automatically enrolled in one of your classes, you can join a class manually. Click on the plus button at the top right corner of the Google Classroom homepage. A pop-up window will ask you to enter the code for the class you are joining. You'll need to get that code from your teacher. Sometimes, class codes are available on your teacher's web pages or in their syllabi.
Here we see a list of classes that you are currently enrolled in. They are laid out like tiles. Some of your teachers will automatically enroll you in their Google Classroom.
Here in the top left corner, we see an icon that is 3 bars. When you click on those bars, a menu opens. The top button is Classes, which brings you back to the home page. The next button is Calendar. This calendar shows the assignments that are due in the current week. However, this is not the best calendar to use for your work logs. For your official class work log calendar, please go to your teacher's website on the Stellar School webpage. Next on the menu is the To Do button. At the top of this page are 2 buttons, To Do and Done. The To Do list pops up by default. On the top of the list are the missing or past due assignments. The rest of the list displays assignments by order of their due date, from assignments that are due soon to assignments that are due in the coming weeks. Now you can click on the Done button at the top. This shows a list of all assignments that have been completed. To the right of each assignment will be a status indicator. If it says Turned In, it means you have submitted this assignment to your teacher, but it hasn't been graded yet. If there's a score next to the assignment, that means it has been graded. You may want to click on a given assignment to see if your teacher has left any comments in the Google Classroom or inside the document itself.
When you click on and enter a classroom, there will be 3 tabs on the top center of the screen: Stream, Classwork, and People. When you enter a class, you will always be taken to the Stream page by default.
The stream shows everything that has been posted on the classroom in chronological order from top to bottom. Because your teachers are continuously updating the Google Classroom with new assignments and materials, the stream page is not very useful for finding assignments, but it is a place where students and teachers can communicate via messages. The messaging function is moderated by your teacher, and you can be muted for irresponsible use of it. We feel that the messaging system is intended for students working at home who need to communicate with classmates. Your teachers prefer to be contacted by email.
The next tab on the top center of the classroom page is the Classwork tab. This is where all your assignments for a given class are listed. This page is the best way to access your class assignments. At the top left of this page, you will see a link that says View Your Work. When you click on that link, it will show you a list of all your assignments in chronological order. To the right of each assignment, there is a status indicator that shows whether the assignment is assigned, missing, turned in, or graded. The rest of the Classwork tab will show your assignments grouped by their topics. Your teacher will typically display the most recent class topic at the top of this page. Click on any assignment to expand the window for details. There are 2 dates displayed for each assignment. One is the date the assignment is posted, and the other is the date it is due.
If you click on the View Assignment link at the bottom left of the assignment window, it will take you to a page dedicated just to that assignment. If the assignment has been completed and graded, the grade will appear on this page. You can also see and access all documents associated with an assignment on this page. At the bottom of the page is the comments box for communicating with classmates about the assignment.
There are also two buttons, Add and Create. You can use these to make new Google Docs or slides for an assignment if there is no template provided by the teacher. When you have completed your assignment, click on the blue Turn-In button to submit your work. Once you click the Turn-In button, your docs become view-only until your teacher grades or returns the assignment, or until you click on Submit.
The last tab on the class page is People. Here you can see a list of all the people in your class, including the teacher. You can click on the email button to contact anyone in your class via their school-assigned email address.